If you love discovering rare moments from the past, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating stories from history. Take a look at this bustling city street from long ago. Before cars dominated the roads, crowded markets like this were the heartbeat of urban America. Horse-drawn wagons, street vendors, and busy shoppers filled every corner, creating a lively scene that captures the energy of everyday life in the early 1900s. This fascinating image shows the famous Chicago stockyards, once one of the busiest livestock centers in America. Thousands of cattle passed through these pens every day, helping feed a rapidly growing nation. It's a powerful reminder of how agriculture and industry work together to build modern America. Here's a glimpse of Atlantic City during its golden age. Elegant hotels, wooden boardwalks, and well-dressed visitors made this one of America's most popular vacation destinations. Long before theme parks and luxury resorts, families came here to enjoy the ocean breeze and a taste of excitement. This rare group portrait captures Native American students dressed in formal Western-style clothing. Photos like this reflect a complex period in American history when government-run boarding schools attempted to reshape indigenous cultures. Behind every face is a story of identity, resilience, and a changing nation. This factory scene highlights the important role women played in America's industrial workforce. Long before modern workplaces, many women spent hours operating machinery and producing goods that fueled economic growth. Their hard work helped transform industries and opened new opportunities for future generations. Before airplanes became common, America's mail often traveled by rail. This railway post office car allowed workers to sort letters while the train was moving. It was a remarkable innovation that helped connect distant communities and speed up communication across the country. Step inside this grand hotel corridor from a bygone era. The elegant architecture, glowing chandeliers, and polished interiors reflected the luxury enjoyed by wealthy travelers. Places like this symbolized America's growing prosperity and the rise of tourism during the early 20th century. This charming, old-fashioned candy store feels like a trip back in time. Shelves packed with sweets, glass jars, and handmade treats created a magical experience for customers. Long before supermarkets and online shopping, neighborhood stores like this were at the center of community life. This photo shows a group of streetcar operators standing proudly beside their trolley. Public transportation like this helped shape American cities, allowing people to travel farther for work and leisure. These workers played a key role in keeping urban life moving every single day. This skilled blacksmith is shaping hot metal, using techniques passed down through generations. Before mass production took over, craftsmen like him created tools, hardware, and essential equipment by hand. His work represents the dedication and craftsmanship that helped build communities across early America. This crowded beach scene proves that Americans have always loved a day by the ocean. Dressed in long dresses, suits, and hats, families gathered to relax by the shore. It's hard to imagine wearing those clothes to the beach today, but this was summer fun over a century ago. Take a look at the incredible risks early utility workers faced. Suspended high above the ground, these linemen repaired power and telephone lines with limited safety equipment. Their dangerous work helped bring electricity and communication to growing communities across America, connecting millions of people for the first time. This bustling town square captures everyday life in a close-knit community. Markets like these were the center of social and economic activity, where families shopped, traded goods, and shared news. Every person in this photograph played a small role in keeping their town alive and thriving. Here we see a large group of workers gathered outside a rural industrial site. Whether logging, mining, or manufacturing, these men helped fuel America's rapid expansion. Their labor built railroads, towns, and industries that transformed the nation into a global economic powerhouse. This remarkable image shows one of America's early oil boom regions. Towering drilling rigs stretch across the landscape, representing the energy revolution that reshaped the country. The discovery of oil created fortunes, fueled industry, and forever changed the way Americans lived and traveled. Long before luxury RVs and modern campgrounds, families enjoyed simple outdoor adventures like this. With a canvas tent and an early automobile nearby, this family embraced the freedom of the open road. It's a nostalgic glimpse into the beginnings of American road trip culture. This dramatic snowstorm scene shows city life continuing despite harsh winter weather. Pedestrians battled strong winds and heavy snowfall while making their way through crowded streets. Moments like this remind us of the resilience and determination that defined life in America's growing cities. This busy street market was a daily lifeline for many families. Fresh fruits and vegetables were sold directly from carts, bringing affordable food into crowded neighborhoods. Before large grocery chains became common, markets like this connected local farmers with city residents. This small-town drugstore was much more than a place to buy medicine. It served as a community gathering spot where neighbors exchanged news, met friends, and picked up everyday necessities. Businesses like this formed the heart of countless American towns. Look at the size of this crowd. Long before television broadcasts and social media, people packed stadiums and grandstands to witness major events in person. The excitement, anticipation, and shared experience created unforgettable memories that brought entire communities together. These women are taking a break during a busy factory shift, sharing a meal after hours of demanding work. During the industrial era, millions of American women entered the workforce, helping power factories and wartime production. Their dedication played a major role in shaping the modern American economy. This crowded riverboat scene captures a time when waterways were among America's busiest transportation routes. Before highways and commercial airlines dominated travel, steamboats carried passengers, goods, and mail across the country. For many Americans, these vessels were the lifeline connecting towns and cities. Look at the enormous crowd gathered around this grand courthouse. Public ceremonies, political speeches, and community celebrations often attracted thousands of people. In an era before television, major events brought entire towns together, creating unforgettable moments that strengthened local pride and civic identity. If these images touched your heart, please subscribe and join us on this journey through the past.